Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a stunning rebirth of German automotive elegance, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 34. This isn't just a classic reimagined, it's a modern-day work of art that perfectly balances retro charm with futuristic technology. From the very first glance, the new Karmann Ghia makes a statement. It holds on to the timeless silhouette of the original Type 34, known affectionately as the Eraser Edge Ghia, while integrating crisp OLED lighting, aerodynamic body sculpting, and subtle chrome accents that pay tribute to the past without being stuck in it. The front fascia is sleek and confident, with narrow digital matrix headlights that blend seamlessly into the curved bodywork, giving the car a clean, high-tech face. The iconic VW badge remains up front, but it's now illuminated and flush with the body, symbolizing its evolution into the electric era. Moving to the sides, you'll notice flush door handles, digitally controlled frameless windows, and a swooping roofline that flows effortlessly into the rear. The character lines have been sharpened to give the car a more aggressive yet elegant profile. 20-inch Aero Turbine alloy wheels not only look sharp, but are designed to reduce drag and improve efficiency. At the rear, the classic tail fin styling has been modernized with a light bar that stretches across the back, connecting the LED taillights. A subtle integrated spoiler and a hidden charging port beneath the VW emblem add to the car's streamlined and clean design. Step inside and the Karmann Ghia Type 34 surprises you even more. It's a blend of old-school simplicity and cutting-edge digital sophistication. The dashboard is wrapped in vegan leather with brushed aluminum trims and features a continuous LED ambient light strip that adjusts based on your driving mode. The centerpiece is a 14-inch floating OLED touchscreen that houses the infotainment system, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and even AI-driven suggestions based on your habits. Right in front of the driver is a 12-inch digital cockpit that's highly customizable, showing navigation, performance metrics, and even real-time energy consumption. The seats are a modern nod to the original, with a retro bucket-style design, finished in sustainable Alcantara and contrast stitching. Both front seats are heated and ventilated with massage functions, and the rear, although compact, is surprisingly comfortable thanks to the car's smart space management. The panoramic roof brings in tons of natural light, making the cabin feel airy and open. As for performance, this 2026 Karmann Ghia Type 34 is built on Volkswagen's latest MEB-Evo platform, meaning it's fully electric. It comes with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup, producing 340 horsepower and 460 Nm torque, propelling the car from 0 to 100 km each in just 4.8 seconds. The acceleration is smooth and silent, but packs a punch when you put your foot down. The low center of gravity, thanks to the floor-mounted battery, gives the Ghia excellent handling through corners and a sporty driving dynamic you wouldn't expect from such a graceful-looking vehicle. Volkswagen has also worked on improving range and efficiency. The car houses a 77 kWh solid-state battery pack, giving it an impressive range of around 520 kilometers on a single charge under WLTP standards. With fast charging capabilities, you can go from 10% to 80% in about 25 minutes at a 350 kW ultra-fast charger. The regenerative braking system is smart and adaptive, letting you drive with one pedal in most urban settings. Sound insulation is another area where the car excels. Whether you're cruising on the highway or stuck in city traffic, the cabin remains whisper quiet. VW has also integrated an optional Harman Kardon 14-speaker audio system, tuned specifically for the Ghia's cabin acoustics, giving you a concert-like experience every time you drive. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 34 starts at around $58,000 for the base model, which already includes most of the tech and features. The Performance S trim, which includes sportier suspension, premium sound system, larger wheels, and advanced driver assistance features like autonomous lane change and adaptive cruise, goes up to $68,000. It's not a budget car, but it's certainly priced competitively when compared to other electric coupes in its class. Given its heritage, performance, and design, many enthusiasts and collectors are already lining up for early reservations. In terms of safety and tech, the car offers Level 2 plus semi-autonomous driving, 360-degree cameras, automated parking, collision detection, and emergency braking. VW Car2X communication system is also on board, allowing the car to communicate with infrastructure and other vehicles to predict traffic hazards or adjust to changing road conditions. To sum it up, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 34 isn't just a nostalgic trip down memory lane. It's a full-blown futuristic statement. It manages to capture the soul of the classic coupe while embracing everything the modern EV world has to offer. Whether you're a longtime VW fan or someone who appreciates beautiful design and advanced tech, this new Ghia demands your attention. It's elegant, it's fast, it's smart, and it's proof that some classics never die, they just evolve. Let me know in the comments what you think about this reborn icon, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the cars that are shaping the future. See you in the next one.